When people search for you online, you don't want them finding anything negative. Clean search results helps you hide and remove search results that damage your reputation. Clean search results can remove negative websites and search results from view, so when people search for you, they find what you want them to see. They also help businesses build a strong online reputation, develop the social media profiles, and replace negative reviews and complaints. So if you want to clean your search results, visit cleansearchresults.com. You can get a free quote right now.